Good luck, have fun, guys.
There's a Junkrat right outside on the top above the barrels. Way to clean him up, Barrett.
They got a Bastion, is that what they got? Hook that Bastion if you can.
Where is he? Oh, he's behind the Reinhardt shield. I can't get through that until it drops. Soldier down, Reinhardt. Reinhardt's carrier.
Focus Reinhardt, focus Reinhardt. Got him.
Nice job, nice job.
Lucio and Monkey by themselves. Lucio.
Junkrat's still left. Zenyatta up top.
Nice job,
Ooh,
nice job.
close.
Let's wait though.
I'm getting high ground.
Jesus, that Lucio lapped our payload like 10 times.
That's what Lucio's do. Alright, keep going.
Looking good, guys.
Oh, they have a hog now.
Okay, good call out.
Zen, focus the Zen, guys.
He's down.
Now the hog. Okay, now we go to the
Nice,
payload.
nice.
Here we go, keep going.
Well done, guys. Soldier in the middle.
Nice job, nice job.
I'm down. Hook
Go
top
hold on our
flank.
back right.
Nice ult.
Oh,
Nice.
Mission ain't over yet. I've got you in my sights.
Nicely done.
nice job, Zarya.
You have my thanks.
I read you.
Barrier down.
Good job, Soldier. I feel stupid saying that, by the way.
Oh, what? That was stupid.
Work that shield.
Zenyatta behind us in the right.
We got a Zen behind
Soldier
we got a
behind you,
Zen
soldier behind you.
Zen's down.
I got him.
Should've-
Soldier down,
should've
soldier
called
down.
that out.
Hog behind you.
Thanks for the call out. Keep working that shield.
Everyone, heal up.
Soldier behind us, soldier behind us. soldier pressing from behind. Nice doing, void chat.
Yes.
Everybody get quiet.
Sorry, I'm focused. Killing people. Get it.
Ulting the shield. Shit.
High ground.
Work that shield.
We gotta regroup. Yeah, we gotta bring that Reinhardt down.
I just thought out.
Dude, hog behind you. This fucking hog is coming after me.
Not dead yet.
Alright, the tank's down.
Good. Get the Zen. Get the Zen.
Gotta kill it then.
We need a contest point right now. We need a contest point.
Good. There you go.
Sig Transit Gloria. I've got you in my sights.
Oh my god.
Complete.
I was about to res, then I got spammed by the
Damn.
Grat.
It's close. I don't think we had the right composition for that last point.
Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
It was a fun match though.
Yeah,
Fun
it's
round anyway.
I think we could probably stop him. Same group.
Yeah, I think so. Really appreciate those callouts last game too. They saved me a couple of times.
Do you want Ana or Mercy?
Depends if we have another hit scan. Probably Ana.
Okay, okay.
They were playing a Pharah, so.
Stick to the plan. And if you get into trouble, I'll bail you out.
I have you covered.
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Hey, maybe we could do a better timing of our ults. Zarya, I don't know if you have a mic or not, but if you can call out when you're gonna throw yours out, that'd be great. we should really combine yours and the Hogs.
Yeah, the one time we successfully did that, it basically wiped their team. But I don't think Zarya's on voice.
Don't like this.
Okay, so like really we should be Zarya, Hog, and then the Nano and the Visor together. And just don't use them at the same time.
5, 4.
Everyone's in voice right now. Apparently every 6 players.
Attackers incoming.